my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. Are we living and loving for the hair? Are we living and loving for the fabulosity? None other than Healthy Hair Studio, discount code FUMI.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
So, why are we here, my darlings? I'll tell you why we're here. We are here because Kanye, and we know that he's as crazy as a box of frogs. Kanye is out here in these streets wearing a cape. Well, you know what? As far as I'm concerned, he never dressed. He never dressed up. I never ever saw Kanye dress up and I thought to myself, oh wow, homeboy is looking fabulous. I digress because there's nothing to say about his looks nor his fashion. Why did he come out here in these streets talking about he regrets having children with Kim Kardashian? He forgets that he's got 4 children with Kim. And when I say 4 children with Kim, they had 2 via surrogate. On top of which, these children are going to see this someday, sometime, somehow. They're going to see it. And they will know that their father did not want them. You can say anything about your relationship, of which again I go against. But there comes a point where you just have to silence and forget this clown. Kanye is a clown. He goes on to talk about all kinds of nonsense. But you know me, when it comes to the children, it's just a no-go area. It's a no-go zone. Why? Why do you want to talk rubbish? Because you want attention, because you've dropped an album. It comes to a point where you have to say record labels, everybody that's supporting him, drop him. I did an episode about him earlier on, and I mentioned how he has lost his complete marbles since the mother left. The mother was wonderful, as mothers are, but no excuse, because Kanye is not the only person that has lost his mother. He's not. Behave like a man. Behave like a decent individual. If you cannot, you have to get out. And ladies out there, my sisters, do you remember how fabulous Kim and Kanye's wedding was? They were in Versailles. I've been to Versailles. Yes, Ula took me. And it was a fabulous, fabulous experience. As I get older, I'm beginning to see it through and through. These guys are going to come with the money. They're going to come with expensive gifts. It's a hot mess. Because you know what? The wedding is not the marriage. And the marriage has to stand the test of time, of which all of these weddings are falling by the side. And the ones that we don't know about, that's only because you don't know what's happening in the back kitchen. Ladies, marry a good man with a decent job, a good heart, that loves you, that wants to be a family man, that's a God-fearing man, that respects you, respects your family, and to support you, really, really support you. That's the man that you should marry. That is the wealth that is priceless. Do you not remember how Kanye proposed to Kim? Her entire family was there, sitting back in the trenches, and then jumped out for this big aha surprise, and they had this big aha engagement ring, and they had this big aha wedding. And for you to have your husband show your S-tape to other people in the office, that's what Kanye did, of his wife. To run around and talking, yes, I made a mistake, I regret having children with Kim. I know Kim feels like a fool, because you buy into the nonsense. You buy into the fake love. You buy into the fake fantasy. It's all fake. It's all fake. It's great for television. It's great for ratings. It's great for TV. It's great for the Kardashian show. Sometimes being materialistic is not a healthy idea. It's not healthy. It's not a healthy idea. Things come and go. and everything, poof, can be lost in a fire. So I just wanted to come out here and give you my 2 cents. Kanye is completely off his rockers, but somebody should talk to him. Don't bring the kids into it. Don't bring these 4 beautiful, innocent children into it, because it becomes a vicious cycle. And then you begin to have that generational curse. Your parents treated you some kind of way, and you don't heal from it. Rejected, dejected, and you begin to look for love in the wrong places, because you have unresolved issues from your absentee father, Kanye. It's disgraceful, and I'm going to be calling them out one by one. Yeah. My darlings, do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you I'll see you sooner than later. Mwah. I love you. One of you said, Fumi, you didn't say it with all of my love. I must have forgotten. I love you guys. Every day, all day. It is with all of my love. Thank you for the love and support. Mwah.